Hello everybody and welcome to Stacks and the City. I'm Ashley. Hey y'all, and I want to say hello, as I guess I said that already. Hey y'all. So glad that you guys are listening. I'm so glad you guys are commenting. I'm so glad that you guys, y'all, honestly, I'm just glad that y'all are out here trying to get this money right. That's literally all that matters. Like, we're just here to get coins. Y'all, we're here to collect the coins. And of course, you guys, please subscribe if you like what you hear, if you like me talking about this coin. If you have any questions, just subscribe. Y'all subscribe. Just do it. Anyway, all right. So this week, y'all, we're in the 4 pillars of personal finance. We're talking about ways to get this money proper. And yeah, like if you do these things, you're gonna get the money right. That's it. That's it. If you do it right, you're gonna get your coins correct. So the other day I talked about goal setting and planning. You have to have a plan. If you want to get this money right, you have to have a plan. Today we're talking about discipline. Discipline is like they're all really good, but this was really good too. You have to be disciplined, you all. How focused are you on the goal? That's the thing. How focused are you about getting this money right? You know, you can have a plan on it. People have plans all the time. They write down everything they want to do. People write everything, their bucket list. We're always writing. But are you actually pressed about doing it? Are you actually focused on the goal at hand? Discipline, at the end of the day, is all about the action. For me, when you got the discipline, you have the action. That's when you're actually doing it. So discipline means that you're executing your plan. That's it. Okay, so I'm out here, I'm over here getting this money, I have my plan out, so I'm trying to pay off my debt, so that means that I'm actually paying money on my debt, and I'm paying money on my debt every day. That's it, or every month, whatever that plan is, you're just doing it. That's all discipline is, you all. How disciplined are you at executing your goal and executing your plan? That's it, y'all. This is actually super short. I thought it was gonna be really long, I was gonna have this long drawn out thing. I don't, not today. Just be disciplined, you all. Have discipline in making your goals happen, making your dreams come true, making yourself more financially abundant. That's it, guys. So, yeah, you know, I'm kind of disappointed. I thought I wanted more. Discipline, guys. Let me know in the comments, you guys, or just let me know how disciplined you are about your coins, all that fun stuff. And as always, please subscribe. You guys are amazing. I cannot wait to hear from you guys soon, and make it a fantastic rest of your day. Bye, y'all.